welcome back to my channel today. We do lots of unboxings over here, and today, you guys, I have a very special mystery box that we're going to be doing today. This is also an exclusive mystery box, meaning only viewers of my channel are going to have access to this box. So I'm really excited because nobody else will know about this except the ones that watch this video, so it's going to be awesome today, you guys. So today we are going to be unboxing a limited edition mystery box from Fragrant Jewels. Now previously I did an unboxing for Fragrant Jewels where you could have 4 mystery rings, and it was a $20 box, and it was a one-time offer, and it was only available to my viewers here. That went over so well that they offered to do another mystery box with us, but this time it's going to include 5 bath bombs and 5 rings. So honestly, this one is a much better deal, I feel like, because you're getting the bath bombs. The previous mystery box, it was still great. I don't think it was bad by any means, but it was only for 4 rings. This time you're getting the bath bombs and the rings. So I'm gonna be posting all of the details down below in my description box. If you would like to purchase this mystery box, you have to use my link down below. That is the only way that you'll be able to access this. It is not available on the Fragrant Jewels website. So this is an exclusive invitation. Only those that are watching this video will have the access through my link. I also was able to secure a coupon code for you guys to where we can take $5 off of your order. So this mystery box is normally going to retail for $30, but if you use my code with my link, it will bring the price down to $24.99, and it's gonna waive the shipping fee. So free shipping, $24.99, 5 bath bombs, 5 rings. Now keep in mind, since it is a mystery box, you will not be able to choose your bath bombs. You'll have no idea what they're going to send you. However, you are able to choose your ring size before placing your order. Now the way that this will work is that 4 of the 5 bath bombs will have your ring size. However, that 5th bath bomb, it will be a true mystery. So it could be any ring size, but it could also be a sterling silver ring or even a limited edition rare ring could be found in that 5th bath bomb. So this is the first bath bomb inside of my mystery box, and this is going to be a star. This bath bomb is 6 ounces, so it's very large. That's one thing I appreciate about their bombs is they do not go skimpy on their products. And you will have a hidden ring inside of this. So you can kind of hear it in there. If you jiggle it around, you can kind of hear like the plastic ball, and your ring will be inside of that. So as you dissolve this into your bathtub, the little plastic ball will actually float right to the surface, and then you'll open it up and inside will be your mystery ring. So this is gonna be the first one inside of my box. We may get the same bath bombs, but then again, since it's a mystery, we may have totally different bath bombs too. The next bath bomb that I have in here, I think is an octopus. Is this an octopus? I think it is. It kind of looks like one at least. So this is a round green bath bomb here. Again, really large. It's kind of hard to show all the detail on camera, but it looks like a little octopus, and then he's like got his legs all over the place. So this will be my second one. Oh, this next one's a piñata. So this is my 3rd mystery bath bomb, and it is a piñata. Look at these fun colors on here too. I love how it's like blue and then just color palooza after that. So this one will give you lots of gorgeous colors in your tub, and then again, you're gonna have that hidden ring inside of here. One other thing that's cool is if you're new to Fragrant Jewels and you've never done this before, not only will you get a ring in the bath bomb, there's also going to be a little piece of paper with a code or a little phrase on it. You can then go onto the website and enter those codes under your account, and it will give you points that you can save for freebies in the future, or you may be a lucky winner where your ring could be worth up to $10,000. So those winners happen quite frequently, and you never know if you're a winner unless you enter those codes. So that's also another fun thing, that not only are you getting these bath bombs and you're gonna have the ring in there, but you're also gonna get that little piece of paper where you can enter that and accumulate points for future purchases as well. So they have lots of fun ways with their boxes. So this is my next bath bomb here. It is a sunflower, and it's got gorgeous red and orange tones and a little bit of yellow in there. Again, 6 ounces on these bath bombs. So they are not small by any means, but they also have beautiful rings. I've started to collect these, you guys, and I love them. I wear them a lot in my videos. Now, of course, today I don't have any of theirs on, but seriously, whenever you see the rings, especially the ones with the little hands, I have one ring that's got like a heart and the hands are like making the heart symbol. It's so cute. It's one of my favorites. But that's what's great about this is you don't know what you're gonna get for rings. You don't know what the bath bombs are gonna be. It is a true mystery box. Now, the last bath bomb inside of my box will look like this, and I think it's a dream catcher, so maybe it goes like this. It's probably like that. Now, this one, I believe, is considered to be their nearly perfect. Now, you will receive one nearly perfect inside of your mystery box. All that means is it's close to perfection. The reason why I think this is the nearly perfect is because there is a little piece over here that did break during shipping or transit. So they will mark these as nearly perfect. They're still going to be great bath bombs. They're still going to have a ring hidden inside of them, but they just have a slight imperfection. And so this will be in your mystery box. All of the other bath bombs are going to be your regular bath bombs, but you will receive one nearly perfect. This is the one that could have anything inside of it. It could be any size ring. It could be a sterling silver ring. It could be rhodium plated. It could even be a rare ring. And when I say rare, I mean rare and hard to find ring. But honestly, this doesn't bother me at all because, again, it's such a small little point on here that's damaged. It's still going to be an effective bath bomb. So that is everything for today's unboxing. Those are my 5 mystery bath bombs. You guys, I think you gotta check this one out because you don't know what you're gonna get. And I think that's the best part of this is it's such a great thrill. And I was able to get that discount code so you guys can actually get this for only 25 bucks and free shipping. And then you get 5 bath bombs, 5 rings. Like, it's just, I feel like this is a really good deal, you guys. So if you wanna check it out, like I said, I got that link down below and that code. Oh, and I almost forgot, I don't think there's a limit on this. So if you guys would like to order multiples of these mystery boxes, you should be able to do that through that link as well. And if you are a collector of the Fragrant Jewels rings and you're looking for some to complete your collection, this would be a great affordable way to do that. You won't know which ones you're gonna get, but it might fill in some of those missing pieces as well for your collection. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!